Greetings of the day. Today we will discuss search engine optimization. One of the crucial topic if you want to rank your website high on search engines, for example Google, Facebook, Yahoo, then this topic will of your interest. So let me start with building the basics of how search engine works. For the simplification, I have taken Google as the base of search engine. So let me start to tell you how search engine works. Google or any other search engine, they have their own algorithm to judge whether the page is useful for the user or not. They'll scan hundreds and billions of pages to find out which page will of the interest of users or not. So the utility is key here, and the algorithm of Google help you to find out the best page. So how do they work on this? How search engines work for you? First of all, you publish content on your website. While publishing the content, please take note that content is king here. Based on your content, Google searches out whether your page has to come on first page or not. So content is important here. This content is judged by Google bots or Spider, what we call them. They crawl your site and find out whether your content is important or not, or is it unique, or it will help consumers and users. Based on this, Google index your page. It provides its rank, and this rank is available on search engine result page. So if your page successfully answers a user question, your page can appear on the search engine result page for their query. So let's say, for example, if you want to let people know about the recipe of making jalebi, then the website should tell recipe of jalebi, not the sales of jalebi. That means you should not sell jalebi on them, but rather you should tell about the recipe. So user will be interested into it. Once we are done with the search engine part, let us find out how Google determines the best result out of so many available pages. The way they'll find out is through relevancy. So what is relevancy? It means that the keyword user is searching for is available on your website. Remember, I have mentioned about recipe of jalebi in last example. There I have asked to only have recipe of jalebi, not the sales part of the jalebi. That happens to this also. If the user is searching for chocolate chip cookie recipe, you need to have the same keyword at your website available. So keyword matching will be the part of recipe. But remember, keyword is important but not the only thing. Once you're done with the keyword part, then obviously Google will search about authority. The word sounds authority. It's the way Google determines whether content is accurate or trustworthy. And this is being judged by the backlinks it has been provided with. So various websites, if they find your data correct, they will backlink you. Now this backlink is available once your content or data is useful for others as well. So let's say in a class where everybody says that Rohan is a good student, is backlink. But if somebody else, or even if Rohan says that he is good, will not be considered by Google. So you need backlinks. Once you're done with the backlinks, then usefulness of your page. Google has their own algorithm which says user experience signals. So Google will judge based on user experience whether your data is useful or not. By being useful means the content which user was searching is available on your website. So together all the three processes, keyword searching, authority and usefulness, determine where page will go high on the search ranking or not. So what exactly is SEO? SEO is the practice of getting targeted traffic to a website. So before marketing, you set a targeted people, a targeted segmentation to come to your website. SEO will help to get this targeted people on your website. So this will include content. This will also include keywords and creating backlinks, which we have discussed in last slide as well. This SEO is all about improving sites ranking. And remember, it's an organic way of picking up high your ranking. Organic means that you don't pay Google for this, unlike search engine marketing, where you pay for ads. But in SEO, you don't pay for ads. That's why it is considered as organic way. So what are the benefits and importance of SEO? See, the major benefit of SEO is to bring traffic to your website. Every company, organization want people to come to a website to explore their goods and services. This is pretty easy to bring with the help of SEO. This traffic will be converted into more and more customers, more leads, more satisfied people. So if your site is optimized, people will search for you with the help of keywords, and ultimately they'll become into customers. To make them customers, you need to have a better reputation. And this better reputation comes when the user finds you high on the Google ranking. So Google trust is with people. So whatsoever your thought may be it brand awareness, online visibility, leads, sales, or loyal customer, your answer will be SEO. But hey, wait, how SEO works? So SEO is work. It starts its work from the right moment of publishing content on the website. You create quality content. The aim of this content is to create engagement. But when Google places your content on the website, it surfaces your result, people start discovering it and engaging it. This engagement is done when Google ranks it higher. When Google ranks it higher, more new people search your content and try to get engaged with. This engagement will also bring backlinks. Various other websites will push your data, will push your content. So you'll have more backlinks. And this will give more authority to the domain. And that's why your website will rank higher. This is a very simple process as SEO works. And it is dependent on your search engine and its algorithm as well to discover whether your content is good or your content should be promoted high or not. And it matters differ to different websites. For example, Google updates its search engine domain authority or algorithm in every 6 months. So it's very hard to understand its algorithm. But concepts remain the same. Content rules the websites. Also, genuine content and usefulness is the number one source to pick up the data. Now let me tell you what is the algorithm for Google in 2022. Following this algorithm, you can push your website on the higher ranking. The consistency publication of high quality content ranks 26% high on Google algorithm. So Google wants to have a high quality content. If you had that, congratulations, you'll come at number one spot. But wait, now we have a keyword also. So you need to get keyword right into your metadata tags, into your websites. This keyword will fetch more and more customers. After keywords, backlinks are important. So 26, 17 and 15% of the traffic will be brought by these three important topics. Apart from this, mobile friendliness, internal links, user engagement, niche expertise will be key here. But remember, this algorithm gets updated when the year changes. So in 2023, we'll have a different algorithm. So whatever may be the algorithm, the fact remains the same. If the data is used by authors, consumers, and if they like them, obviously your website will come higher. With these ending notes, I would like to conclude this PPT.